Okay, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully this is going to be a fairly quick video. So what I wanted to show you guys is something I found on Amazon that I think is pretty interesting. And this is going to be kind of a two-part video, so I'm kind of throwing it in together. I may title it like interesting tool project. I don't know. Anyway, these are a brand called Weehaw. Everybody pretty much... Well, you're not going to focus. Weehaw screwdrivers. Okay, learn how to talk when you're recording a video. These are, precision screwdrivers that are pretty much the standard for electrical work or pretty much anything when you want a decent sized screwdriver for, something that requires a little bit more precision. And they make various kinds, and they even make like cutters and pliers, and they're coming out with more stuff. They've got a fairly decent Amazon page that they have now. And, like I said, this is the Weehaw, and another brand called Wera is pretty much the standard for that kind of work. So what I found was this brand of... Oh, I will point out, though, that these are expensive. I think for like a set of 6 of these is like 40 to 50 bucks. And, you're thinking, oh, it's a piece of plastic and a piece of metal. You're right, but these are very good screwdrivers. And they're, they've lasted me. I mean, I've had these long ones. I've had these for probably a good 8 to 10 years. And, they look almost as good as the day that I bought them. Now, if you don't want to spend $50 on a pair of precision screwdrivers or anything of that kind of nature, I found this brand on Amazon. It's pronounced Kaisi. Not totally sure how to pronounce it, but it comes in this nice little PU fake leather case. It's actually pretty good. It's almost like a canvas leather mix. I'm not really sure how to explain it, but the inside is lined with this kind of felt material, and you've got these little tipped screwdrivers, and these are green. Now, if you're just taking a look at it, let me see if I can get the camera to focus. They look, just like a basic screwdriver. And, I mean, they are, but the metal tip is this frosted kind of metal. I'm not totally sure. I think it's probably just some sort of steel. And the handle it feels really good in the hands. It's like a soft kind of... like a soft plastic, but it feels really good in the hand. And these are, it comes in, Phillips flathead. It's got a couple little tiny Torx heads on there, and then just even tinier heads, which these will be good for like fixing glasses, eyeglasses and computers, taking apart like laptops and stuff like that. And it also comes with this magnetizer. I think you just leave it on there. I know I've seen some people go like that. I don't know the proper way to do it. I just know if I've ever had to magnetize something, I just left it on there for a little while and it works. Let me see if I can find a tiny screw to demonstrate quickly as I can. So this is a little bit bigger screw, but we'll put that on there. These should already be magnetized, but I'm not totally sure. Yeah, there's a little bit of magnet on that. So yeah. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I found these on Amazon. Like I said, I paid, it was like 15 bucks for this little set that I got. But let me move on to the next thing that I want to talk about. And these are some older tools here. I don't know the actual age of these, but found this hammer, which I believe this is a masonry hammer or stonemason hammer, something like that. I kind of polished up the back end of it just a little bit because I was trying to do some testing around and just to see how much work this would take. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to polish this out, flatten the head as best as I can. I'm going to sand the handle and give it a new, probably put like some oil of some walnut oil or something like that. And the same goes for the screwdriver. Now the end of the screwdriver is not terrible, but I do want to redo the handle and get this all polished up. I want to find some more tools, some more older tools that are just kind of laying around in places, and kind of start restoring some of this stuff. One way to remove this rust, and I've done like an ASMR video before, is you can let the metal sit in vinegar for about 24 hours. But I want to do it I'm going to use like what I've got is I've got some wire wheels here. These guys, these tend to work pretty good. And for the end of that, I need to, I'll sharpen that up with a grinding wheel. So yeah, this kind of a little quick video here, some tools, and yeah, I will. Also have this guy that I want to clean up. Now this, don't know if I can find the handle or the coverings for this. I know one thing you can do is find like a little bit thicker heat shrink to put around there. I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to do or not, but this one I may have to end up letting this one soak in vinegar and then going over it with the wire wheel. I'm not totally sure, but yeah, it's just like I said, it's a couple tools that I kind of want to play around with, and not anything spectacular, but it's a little bit different for my channel. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and I will post updates. I'll probably do a separate video on restoring these two things. I don't know if it's going to be one video each or put it together. We'll see. So hope you guys enjoy it. Later.